Now I'm going to explain about allergy. What is allergy? Allergy is hypersensitivity of the immune system. That means when our immune system will become hypersensitive or overactive. So immune system, it will work normally, but sometimes in some person the immune system may become overactive. So this overactivity of the immune system, it is called allergy. So allergy is hypersensitivity of the immune system. Allergy মানে কি, যেটা ইমিউন সিস্টেম ওভারঅ্যাক্টিভ হয়ে যায় বা হাইপার সেনজিটিভ হয়ে যায়, তেনে কণ্ডিশ্যনক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়, এলাৰ্জি বুলি কোৱা হয়। Now, allergy, this develops only in some person. All person does not suffer from allergy. Now, substances that cause allergy, they are called allergens. So, allergens, when they enter inside the body of some person, they stimulate the immune system to become hyperactive. So, the common allergens that are present, they are dust, pollens, spores, mites, molds, feathers, fur, venom, food, and drugs. Drugs means here medicine. So, allergen কি, যিবিলাক সাবস্টেন্স এলাৰ্জিটো কৰায় বা যিবিলাক সাবস্টেন্স ইমিউন সিস্টেমক হাইপাৰ সেনজিটিভ কৰি দিয়ে, সেইবিলাকক এলাৰ্জেন্স বুলি কোৱা হয়। না এলাৰ্জেন্স বহুত ধৰণৰ আছে, যেনে ডাষ্ট, কিছু মানুহৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ডাষ্টটো এলাৰ্জেন হৈ যায়। পোলেন্স, স্পোৰ্স, মাইটছ, মোল্ডছ, feathers, fur, venom, food, drugs, মানে ইয়াতে medicine. So, they may be allergen to some person. Now, যেতিয়া allergy হয়, maximum ক্ষেত্ৰত যিটো antibody produce হ'ব, the antibody that will be produced during allergy, it is immunoglobulin E. So, remember, this is very, very important. You may get a question that which antibodies are involved during allergy? It is antibody E, immunoglobulin E, IgE, antibody E. Now, কেনে ধৰণৰ এলাৰ্জিটো কেনে ধৰণৰ হয়? এলাৰ্জি তিনিটা ষ্টেপত হয়। এটা হ'ল সেনজিটাইজেশ্যন, 2 নম্বৰটো হৈছে সেকেণ্ড ষ্টিমুলেশ্যন, আৰু 3 নম্বৰটো হৈছে হিষ্টামাইন অ্যাকশন। Now, sensitization. First exposure to an allergen does not cause allergy. It is called sensitizing dose. That means when the allergen enters inside that particular person for the first time, it will not cause any problem. So here, allergen acts as a mild antigen. So stimulates the formation of antibodies which bind to mast cells of connective tissue. The antibodies produced are immunoglobulin E, and it develops primary immune response. Sensitization কি হয়, যেতিয়া সেই মানুহজনৰ প্ৰথমবাৰ এলাৰ্জেনটো সোমায়, সেই এলাৰ্জেনে লগে লগে এলাৰ্জি ফৰ্ম নকৰে। সেই এলাৰ্জেনটো কি কৰিব, এলাৰ্জেনটো বডিটোক মানুহজনৰ বডিত ষ্টিমুলেট কৰি দিব টু প্ৰডিউচ এণ্টিবডিজ। চ' এণ্টিবডি প্ৰডিউচ হ'ব। না কোনটো এণ্টিবডিজ প্ৰডিউচ হ'ব, ইমিউনোগ্লোবুলিন ই, এইটো মনত ৰাখিবা। চ' ইমিউনোগ্লোবুলিন ই উইল বি প্ৰডিউচড, আৰু এই ইমিউনোগ্লোবুলিন ইটো মাছ চেলৰ লগতে লগ লাগিব। চ' ইমিউনোগ্লোবুলিন ই, say this is an antibody. This is an antibody, Y-shaped structure, and this antibody will get attached to mast cell. So this is mast cell. This is mast cell, and this one is the antibody. So this antibody will get attached to the mast cell. Now what is mast cell? It is a kind of connective tissue. It is a kind of connective tissue. So when this antibody, jetia a antibody mast cell logote log laibo, so this will develop primary immune response. Olob agote moi porhaisu tumalok primary immune response to ki. So jetia antibody mast cell logote log laibo, so this will lead to development of primary immune response. Now the second one is second stimulation. On next exposure, hey eketa allergen, the same allergen will enter into the body of the same person. Then what will happen? The body shows a secondary immune response. This is termed shocking dose. Now the allergens combined with the antibody bound mast cell. Just now you have studied, this is the antibody, this one is the mast cell. You have just now studied. Now when the same allergen will enter into the body of that person, as a result, what will happen? This allergen will get attached to, this is an allergen. So this is an allergen, this will get attached to the mast cell attached with the antibody. Now what will happen? When this allergen will get attached to the mast cell which is attached with the antibody, then as a result, the mast cell will burst. So it will burst. And as a result, it will release histamine. So this is histamine. So mast cell will release histamine. Now what will happen? Histamine action causes hypersensation. So when the histamine will be released, as a result of which the immune system will become hypersensitive. So then the signs of allergy will develop in the body of the person. So the released histamine causes dilation of capillaries. So histamine, when it will be released, what it will cause? It will cause dilation of the capillaries. Capillaries kitak dangor koi dibo. Redness, ronga hoi jabo. Itching, khojuti hobo in the skin and evoke an inflammatory response.